Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make yourself a non-woven grocery bag. So I'm going to be working with two different colors today. So I'm working with two different shades of blue. Now the measurements for this bag is going to be 16 inches wide and 10 inches going down for both pieces because you're going to be joining. That will give you roughly about 19.5 inches when it comes to the actual length of the bag once it's joined, and 16 inches wide. So you're going to get yourself two pieces of this shade of blue, two pieces of this shade of blue, and like I said, both should be 16 wide and 10 inches in length. When it comes to the straps, you're going to need your straps to be at least 18 inches when it comes to the length and 2 inches wide. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with the straps. So because we're dealing with non-woven fabrics, we're just going to be going ahead and sewing. There is no need to turn anything on the wrong side and then flip it. No, that's why I didn't put on a 1/2 inch seam allowance. So we're just going to be folding it in half just like that. We're going to give it a flat stitch on this side, and then we're going to repeat it on the other side. Now this is what both of your straps should be looking like. Now I'm going to set these aside and I'm going to be doing the joining of the pieces now. So what you're going to do, you're going to be joining. You're going to have right sides facing each other and your wrong side should be facing down flat. You're going to take the right side of the other one. You're going to have right sides facing each other. You're going to put that underneath the sewing machine and give that a stitch going all the way down. Okay guys, so this is what it's supposed to look like once you're done with that stitching. Now I'm going to be using the brighter part of the bag for the bottom, as I said. So you want your seam to go towards that. So you want your seams to go down that direction. Now you're going to be working on the right side and you're going to be doing a flat stitch. So once you've done that, this is what it's going to look like. And here you can see. Now this is what both pieces should be looking like once you've done your joining and your flat stitch. So you're just going to remove one piece, and what you're going to do is to find the center, and you're going to be finding it at the top, which is the lighter shade of blue. You're going to be marking that, and then you guys can use your tape measure. I'm going to be using the markings on my desk. And from the center, you want to find 3 inches going in one direction and 3 inches going in the other direction. So you'll end up with 6 inches apart. You're going to take back your straps. Now, this is how the strap look. So the side that you have the raw edge, you're going to make it fall on the inside, and the smoother side is going to fall. This is the side that has the fold. It's going to fall on the outside. Now from the mark that you did, you want to place the strap on the outside of the mark, not on the inside, on the outside. So you go ahead, you put that down, and you just give it a little stitch. Just to hold it in place. You want to back stitch on that. Then you're going to repeat it to the next part. Now this is what it should look like. You're going to do the same thing to the next one as well. Then you're going to be folding it over. So you have it like this, you fold it over onto the wrong side. So when you put this part on, this is on the right side. You flip it over and you fold 1 inch on the wrong side. Then you give it a flat stitch going down. I'm using the markings on the shuttle plate, so I have my 1 inch guide. You're going to flip it over onto the right side, and you're going to be giving it a tap stitch right at the top. Once you get to where you have the joining with the straps, you're going to back stitch on that. Now you're going to repeat this to the next side of the bag, because this is what both pieces should be looking like. Put your wrong side down flat on the table, so you have your right side facing up to you. You take the right side, put it together, so right side facing each other, and you're gonna go on ahead and give it a stitch going all the way around the bag. Make sure you guys double stitch here and here. You don't necessarily have to double stitch here because you're gonna be cutting this off, but make sure you guys back stitch at both parts. Now you guys can go on ahead and just trim up your seams. So get rid of all those little threads. Now if you guys were sewing correctly and cutting correctly, the little matching up right here, you should have them running right into each other, so it doesn't have one high and one low. Now for the bottom of the bag, what you're going to do is to take it just like this and open it out into a little triangular fold. Make sure you have seams together. Put that down flat. I'm gonna get my tape measure. So I'm gonna be measuring 1.5 inches from the tip. So from the tip here coming down, 1.5 inches. And I'm just gonna be marking that going straight across. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this edge. Make sure the seams are joined together. You match them up first, and then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna give that a stitch going right across. Now once you guys are done, you guys are just gonna go 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch up from where you did the stitch, and you're just gonna go and cut that off, and you're doing that to both sides, and your bag is done. You're just gonna flip it over, poke out the little edges. Now this is how you sew a non-woven grocery bag. Really cute, really easy, and you can go shopping now. Now if you guys like this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Do not forget to check out all of the other videos I have over on my other channel. I start posting again, guys. And of course, do not forget to check out all of the other videos I have here on this channel. And I will see you guys again on the next video. Subscribe. Okay.